Notice your pain. My pain, it runs deep. Share it with me.
Welcome to Respect My Journey. I'm your host, Carl Krause, the Cruising King, King Krause, a.k.a. that old black magic, baby.
So it's Hampton's ball with a full 45 in the shot clock. Krauser, that's definitely a trade.
He shot that one from the Bronx.
Steal.
That's Siobhan Troutman's quick feet defensively and good anticipation.
This could be a four. Count it and the foul.
Merry Christmas.
What's that old adage? Never foul a jump shooter, especially when he's behind the line.
Carl Krauser again, just a straight pull-up jumper. You got to honor him. Nice job by Krauser to kind of go with the flow. A little bit of contact, made sure the officials saw it.
Foul was on Buckner, who took a run at him. That's 5 team fouls, and now Krauser with a chance for his 20th point.
And I tell you what, you look at Carl Krauser's game, you know he worked over the summer. When he came into this program, he was...
See what happens when I get on this shit? I get on this shit, more people come. More people come and more people try to do it. It's the beginning. Walking in this mug. Make a jump mash. Make a jump mash. Make a jump mash. BX, we in here. Workout 5. Blue 5. Let's go. Believe love unites everyone and everything. I said I almost killed myself. R.I.P. Black Magic 2 seconds ago. Told you, boy, I'm in these bullshit Air Force Ones. No free throw. I ain't flying. Ladies and gentlemen, these pants are hot. Shit. I left my show. Let's go. It's called Krause, the Crucian King, King Krause. What up? What's up? Positive vibe. Always love. Let's go, baby. Okay. You got it. Let's go, Julio. You ready? Julio.
Y'all want to see the grip? No grip. See the grip? No grip. Huh? Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Huh? Go lift some weights, get some muscles. Free throws, muscles.
Respect to Mr. Jimmy, man. Thank you for everything. I humbly appreciate you. This is my man, Mr. Jimmy, man. This is my man, Mr. Jimmy, man.
Hold on, watch the street.
Mr. Jimmy, man, right here. All right, man. Thanks again, Jimmy, man. Appreciate you. I got you on the YouTube, too.
I remember where you, yeah, I will, man.
Yeah, you come on there, check me out. You come through there, check me out. I'll come out and grab some.
Where did you play, man, out of curiosity?
Excuse me?
Where'd you play? You played overseas?
Yeah. I played in a few countries. I played in Germany to start it off, though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, then I went to the D-League, and then I went to 4 other countries.
I know a guy who played in Greece. He's a little older than me.
Right.
He's the chaplain of the NBA now.
What?
Yeah, he's the whole, like, he goes in the locker room, a little Bible study.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Billy,
a blessing.
Billy Alexson.
Billy Alexson. I'm going to check him out.
Yeah.
Billy Alexson.
Good guy, man.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, man.
Always love, Jimmy.
I like that. You get t-shirts made.
I am. That's funny. I am. Thank you. All right.